Hey guys, Travis Edwards, GM at Kryptonite Products here. Today we're going to show off a crazy warranty claim we got over here. So pretty significant claim here. What the customer reached out for is an actual crash on the road. He ran into a landscaping rock off the highway. You can see a few of these parts are bent pretty significant. We'll get some close-ups here later on. Some of these parts are actually still in great condition. You can see here this joint is still tight. I would be comfortable reusing this, but at this point, you know, the truck was compromised, has a little bit of frame damage, so we want to get everything replaced. Pitman arm still in great condition. Idler arm and upright support still doing well as well. A couple different items were bent here. Most of it wasn't broken. So you can see a lot of the tension went through this center link. You can actually see a little bit of a bend in it. Takes a lot of force to do something like that. So we'll probably go through a few pictures as well of the damage that the customer had. Pretty good scenario. You know, the customer and his family were all safe. They got to walk away from this crash. It is something to where, you know, the Kryptonite warranty, we're always going to back our parts. It's just an accident, right? At this point, the parts have failed. We're going to take care of the customer. We're going to get them all brand new parts. Kryptonite warranty. Wreck it, race it, jump it, we'll replace it. Feel free to reach out to us, kryptoniteproducts.com, and you can give us a call anytime.